Casey Gideon Libraries is pleased to offer home delivery of library holds. Please note that the organisation of the home delivery side of this process is after the holds are ready for collection. So you will receive your notification as normal to say that you have holds ready for you. This is when you organise the home delivery. Please note also that any holds placed will only be satisfied if we have the items on our shelves at the moment, as we don't have access to other library services collections and our chutes are closed, so we're not accepting returns at the moment. So once you've received your notification, you come to the library website. This is the only place you can facilitate the home delivery from, which is https://cclc.vic.gov.au. Once you're on the library website, go to the top and click Login. If you can't see Login, just click next to the menu and you can click Login from there. Enter your library card number and your PIN. If you can't remember your PIN, you can use the Forgot My PIN process there. And then it tells me that I have an item on hold. So however many items are on hold is what you'll be notified here. Yes, we do want to organise to mail it, and please be aware we can only do this once a fortnight. So we're going to choose yes, mail it. If you didn't have any holds or you didn't want your holds mailed at this time, just click no and it'll take you through the catalogue. It's also asking if we want to top our package with some extra items, what we call a binge bag. So yes, I've only got one hold, so I'm going to ask for some extra items. But it can only be generalities. We can't request specific titles at this point. If you want specific titles, you have to place holds. So I'm going to ask for mysteries and picture books. Here is where we confirm the address. Please confirm either way, but if your address is not correct, please contact your library as soon as possible because we need to update that so we get your items to the right place. And then confirm. And once you confirm, that's it. That's done. We will get onto your items and get them sent out to you, but please be aware we do have a backlog at the moment and it can take up to 2 weeks to get your items to you, but we'll get them to you as quickly as we can. Thanks.